Well, that apple lived through yesterday's popcorn blast, so today we're again going to use the portable piston valve cannon, but this time I've stepped up to the 2-inch 50mm barrel, loaded with some of those stale Scotch mints. We'll see what this blast does to that apple, see if we can finally finish it off. The apple's showing a lot of damage, but it's still recognizable as the nasty old apple decoration it's always been. Let's see what those mints will do to it today. Target is the apple that won't die. 50mm barrel loaded with the mints. And 300 psi. Fire. Well, as you can see, after the mint blast, and it smells rather minty in the room here now, quite pleasant, half of the apple was reduced to some chunks that are there on the floor, 4 of them, and a whole bunch of styrofoam dust. However, the top half of the apple is still alive, so I think I will load up with popcorn and take another shot here. Portable piston valve cannon, loaded with popcorn. Target is the remainder of the apple, 300 psi, and fire. Well, that last blast of popcorn, it looks like the apple decoration is finally finished. Chunks of it all over the shop floor, mixed in with popcorn, and I can still smell the mints from that earlier shot. Certainly not much left of the apple, not enough to put together. Finally, the apple is finished. Well, here's a last look at that very tough apple decoration. Finally finished it off with mints and popcorn. Nothing left but bits and chunks. Goodbye to the apple.